In this video, I'm going to show you how you can post manual journal entries in Zoho Books. So what you need to do once you're inside of the dashboard is go to Accountant and then Manual Journals, and then that will take you here. You can then go ahead and click Create New Journal, and here we can create a journal entry. Now, you can add here the reference number. So I'm just going to put 1 for the video, and you can add notes if they are relevant as well. So in this example, I'm just going to fix a mistake where some office supplies were accounted for advertising, let's say. So I'm just going to put here expense mistake, and I'm just going to reconcile the accounts using the journal entry. So let's say we spent $100 on advertising, but we accidentally recorded it as office supplies. We can reconcile that here. So I'm going to put here office supplies, and then you can add a description or a contact if you've got one, but I'm going to debit this £100. And then let's say it should have been for advertising, and I'll credit this £100. So we can reconcile and we can fix the accounting here. So now our accounts should be all up to date. You will have obviously your own reasons for adding a journal, but once you've done that, you can add any elements if you want, and you can add more rows and delete them with the X. Once that's done and you're happy with the journal, click Save and Publish, and that will then create that journal entry and update all of your accounts. So I hope that video was useful. Thanks for watching.